Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you this amazing clementine cake recipe. This cake recipe is not just delicious, it's easy and simple to make, and also it's a good dessert. And also guys, if you have any questions or you want me to make more videos like this, leave the comment down below and like and subscribe. These are the ingredients I used in this cake: 4 eggs, 6 clementines, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 180 grams caster sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, vanilla extract. I also used 250 grams ground almond and also 3 tablespoons of plain flour. I started with putting the 6 clementine in a saucepan filled with water. I let it boil and simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes until the skin was tender. After that I took it off and I let it cool down completely. After the clementines had cooled down, I cut them into small chunks while removing the seeds. Also guys, the reason I boiled and let the clementine simmer for 40 to 45 minutes, personally I think it reduced the bitterness of the clementines because I'm going to use the whole fruit in the recipe. After I cut up all the clementine, I put in a blender to make a paste. As you can see here, it's all nice and smooth. I added eggs and I made sure it was well blended. I poured the mixture in the mixing bowl. As you can see here, the mixture is well blended. To the mixture, I added 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and olive oil. Went ahead and added the rest of the ingredients: caster sugar, baking powder, ground almond, and plain flour, and I made sure to combine the mixture well. I divided the batter into 2 separate cake tins equally. The cake batter was ready to go in the oven. I baked in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. The cakes are all done and they look so good. This cake turned out so well guys. On this occasion I served with cream and I sprinkled with icing sugar on top. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.